Small block, a big block. What's up with it?
Look out. Tell me you gonna get on his ass.
Yeah. Oh, man, turn that up, man. He don't even come out enough. He ain't got nothing but 2 more passes. That's why he's saving that motherfucker, man. He got 2 more passes. He out of the game. He ain't coming back. When his motor blow, it's over with, y'all. We ain't gonna see him no more. So we trying to let him save it because we like seeing him. We enjoy his company, and I want one of them passes because one of them gonna equal me some cash. Yeah, I want some of that cash he got. He gonna retire after this, man. He got 2 more passes. A shakedown and me. A shakedown and me, man. He got 1 more bottle to fill of nitrous, 1 more fuel cell to fill. This it. It's it. It's over with him. He know it. He know it. He looked at the oil pressure gauge. It only rolls up to 20. It used to be at 60. He knows something wrong. 2 more times. 2 more. It's about to go. I seen a little smoke last time. I seen a little smoke. All right. Everybody, I've been hearing I got a 427.
And what, the Mustang?
Yeah. I'm running them in a Mustang. I can't handle them in nothing else. I sold a 427. Man. I got 3 mechanics already. I'm shop hopping. I'm shop hopping. I'm trying to figure out which one is you any good. Nope. Next. They took my money. Next. Small block. Oh, okay. Okay. Bet. We're gonna get on it. Y'all, I had a 427 for sale one time. I guess they figured I used it. I sold it though. But it don't matter. They can think I got it. Oh well. Oh yeah, they got my machine working today. It's going down. It's finna go down, y'all. Look, they got my drink. Extreme potion.
The watered down stuff, let her go in the closet and make your drink.
Yeah, I don't want that. Dang.
So
Look out, lines getting packed. Small block or big block? Oh. Trying to go see. Look out. Nothing much. Let's see what's up here. Look out. Hey. Small block or big block? Okay, small block. You like small. Okay. Look out. Y'all on my YouTube channel? It's called Look Out Racing. Y'all gonna be live streaming and everything. Y'all make sure to let them know. Small block or big block? Small block? Yeah. That's what I like too. I like nitrous or turbo or supercharged? Oh, they got the small block on that nitrous. Look Out Racing. Yeah, Look Out Racing. Look out. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Oh, y'all all know about it. Look Out Racing. Yeah, it's going down. Tell your uncle now. Already. Okay. Hey. Look out. Nothing much. Chilling on. Checking on these small block or big block? Big block? Okay, she knows something, y'all. She knows something. Hey, leave me alone. Hey, leave me alone. All right, y'all. Look out. What we gonna do here? Let me let y'all know what we gonna do. What we gonna do? I'm getting ready. Yeah, go and put yours in one time for the one time. You ready? It's Go and put your birthday shout out in. What is it now? Her birthday today, y'all.
Tell them how old you turn.
And we need to know. We trying to figure it out. We don't know. 9? I ain't been taking all day to be 9. I've been waiting.
That's a big clock, man. Look at
Where? Big clock.
That's a big
Got any nitrous turbo or supercharger? Okay, she got a little juice on it, little Honda shot. Little Honda shot. Yeah. Got a little Honda shot on it, y'all. Not enough to blow it up, but just enough to make it get off the line. Make it get off the line. You know, just get off the line. Little holler. Yeah. Make that 60-foot increase. That's all. Let me see. Okay. Another big blow. Okay. Man, I'm about to go ahead and end this here live, y'all. Get a little break. They ain't talking about nothing. I'm gonna give me a little break in, play around. I know they're gonna be stay live. Stay live. Stay live. Yeah, they be live. Stay live. Give me some money. Give me some. Send me. He said, "What the fuck? You at work still in time?" See? What they think I'm making? I just made it to 15,000 subscribers. Come on in here, man. Tell them
No,
one
I'm not
time.
starting with
Wait
you
a
today.
minute.
No.
We trying to see. Hey, y'all. We got a yeah. We got a carport over here, y'all. Little small block, one kick, Forged pistons, y'all. What's up with it, man? We got my boy in the building, y'all. Wanted to put his little shout out in. Let him know your name, where you from, one time for the one time.
Fort Worth, Texas.
Yeah.
And, Collins.
Yeah. Fort Worth, Texas, man. What time everything start? I don't know. But when it do, y'all better have them notifications on so you can be highly notified. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all up, man. We're gonna try to work on getting that CAD later on. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about one time, but I one time.